drainage and hardscaping job that we did in Naperville and Crest Creek subdivision. We regraded the backyard, installed some landscaping over there, and then we put a drainage system all through the low point over here. You can see the catch basins there, collect any runoff between the houses. We tied in the sump pump and the downspouts, re-landscaped the sides, ripped out all the old hardscaping in the front, regraded, resodded everything, did all new landscaping up here, redid the front porch, did a new walkway. Sergio is getting the palmeric sand wet right now, and then what that's going to do is it's going to harden. Then we regraded the rest of the front yard, resodded everything. Looks like a totally new front yard.